The land and air components of Operation Thunder Strike have neutralized several armed bandits in a joint offensive operation to clear identified bandits camp around Kudu, area of Kagaroko local government area along the Kaduna-Abuja Expressway axis of Kaduna State. The operation was executed yesterday, 17th November 2020, on the heel of credible human intelligence reports indicating that a cluster of hunts and other structures at the location serve as hideouts for a notorious bandit leader named Major, along with his fighters. The military high command commend the land and air component for their professional and urges them to remain resolute in the conduct of operations in order to eradicate all armed bandits.